Hey guys, it's Jessica, and today I feel a little bizarre because I'm filming on my back porch, and I can't say that I've ever done that here, so I feel like awkward. Like, can my neighbors hear me? Probably. They all know what I do, but I don't know. You just feel weird. It's like when I'm vlogging in person, like at a store, I'm like super quiet. I'm like, no one can find out that I'm vlogging. Today, I wanted to unbox the FabFitFun box with you guys. This is the only subscription box I still get. Now, in all fairness, this comes in PR. The other subscription boxes I used to get came in PR, but long ago I asked to be taken off quite a few of those lists because I wasn't enjoying getting them anymore. This is the only one I didn't want to be removed from because I genuinely love this box. And it's one, I was thinking about it today when I was getting ready. I thought this is the only box that if they just stopped sending out PR boxes to me, I would still buy on my own because it is exciting. It feels like Christmas every time I get it. It only comes 4 times a year, so I don't like get tired of it. And the products that are inside are full size, they're useful, and they're not just makeup. It's like everything under the sun, skincare, fitness stuff, accessories. It's just got it all. So I love it. It is a little bit pricier than maybe like a $10 box. You get it each season. It's like, I think $49.99. I know that they've given me a code that I will put on the screen and down below for, I want to say, about $10 off if you'd like to use it, but I'll have all of the info in the link below if you're interested. But I'm excited to see what's inside. How cute is this box? I thought it was very appropriate to film here on my patio furniture. That if you saw our Costco shop with me, my most recent one, we bought the stuff and we love it, and they all rock, and it's amazing, and it was an insane deal. I don't think they sell it anymore, but always check out Costco for deals like that because it was like a way better deal than like anywhere else we'd look by thousands of dollars. The one thing I really like about this box is that the box I'm unboxing right now today that you're seeing, you guys can actually go on and get this box. You don't have to wait till the next box comes out in the fall. You can get this summer box yourself, and you can customize what you're getting in your box a little bit. So definitely check out the link I have below if you're curious on how that works, what you can choose versus the other things. But I think that's a really nice thing because not all subscription boxes do that. And so since you are spending like 40 bucks on this, it's nice to be able to pick and choose some of the products you get. And what's on my lips today, if you're curious, is the Lancome L'Absolu Lacquer in number 168. I love this so much. I've loved it for a long time. And we're drinking some iced coffee. Okay, can we start unboxing it, Jessica? You've taken like 5 minutes just to talk about nothing. So in the box, it comes with tons of stuff, but one of my favorite things they do now is they have this magazine that they've always had, but it gets better seemingly each season. And ooh, that breeze feels good. It's like 75 out, it's perfect, but the breeze feels nice. And it really is like a miniature magazine, but they show the products you might have gotten in your box in action. So they'll do an article about a few of the skincare products that were in the boxes, and they explain how do you use them, how much do they originally cost, and it feels like you're getting things out of a real magazine, which is kind of cool. I can't explain it. We're gonna try to learn about each of these products because I feel like a lot of times in the past when I've done these, I don't do a deep enough dive into what each product does, and I'd like to do that today. So the first thing I see on here is this Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray. It says it's a hydrating rose facial spray. You can use it before or after makeup and reapply throughout the day if you'd like. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about the packaging. It's plastic packaging, but this is really cute. It's super trendy. I love how simplified it is. It's just one of those things that it's a brand that they clearly hired the right people to design it because it's very cute, 2019, exactly what I want to see like in a shelfie, you know what I mean? But it says that it is originally $25.95, and it says a spritz of this will leave you with a fresh and moisturized face. So they bring it up a couple times in the magazine. I feel like such a teacher. Of course I'm investigating deeply into this. So there are some doctors that are answering some questions in this article. This one is a dermatologist. So she says that water is one of the most important factors in skin healing. So when you're dehydrated, your skin cells deflate, making your skin look dull and wrinkly, and it slows your skin's ability to heal. So they're recommending, not her necessarily, but FabFitFun is recommending to use this spray to help with that hydration throughout the day. And again, it just reiterates that it helps keep your skin fresh and moisturized, but you can also use it as a makeup setting spray. I feel like I'm kind of greasy enough as it is, so I don't necessarily want to do it. But it does say rose in particular does help keep skin refreshed and moisturized. It definitely has a rose scent. So if you're not, now it's all over me. If you're not into that, you might not like this a lot because it's there. This would be another thing that you could totally spritz your beauty blender with and blend in your foundation or concealer, whatever. I use all kinds of different sprays for that, but I know rose water is one that some people use, so I'm definitely gonna try it that way too. Next in here are these invisibobbles. They call it the traceless hair ring. I've had these before. Some people swear by these. I'm not a big fan of them, to be honest. My hair, I mean, you're seeing it today and it's been like blow dried and kind of heat styled with the curling wand, but typically my hair is naturally kind of wavy-ish and textured, and I just felt like it would get caught in my hair in ways that it didn't hold it up the way I wanted it to, and on top of that, it just kind of hurt. But some people swear by these for headaches. They swear by them for if you have hair that's hard to keep up without getting those dents in the hair. That's what this is great for. So I think they're for some people, but they're not necessarily for everyone. So I'm sure one of my sisters will be very excited to play with those. But to give you some more information in case it is for you, it is $16. This is a 6-pack, so they're kind of pricey. I know that they get stretched out over time, but there are different things you can do to kind of get them back to their original shape. I've heard of people putting them in water. I've heard of people putting them, or maybe it's like in boiling water. Other people like blow them with the hair dryer. I don't know, I haven't had that issue yet because I didn't enjoy using them, but let us know your recommendations down below if you have experienced this and you found a trick to get them back to their original size and shape. So I like that they've got crystal clear. This lighter like nude shade would work maybe if you're blonde and you don't want to be able to see it as easily. They do have like darker brown colors and black. They also have like bright colors. I think I've seen like pink and stuff. So there are a lot of options. Next up is a hair care brand that I really genuinely love, and I was talking to my hairstylist the other day and she even said she's the Living Proof is a really good brand. I'm like, agreed girl, agreed. This is their Nourishing styling cream. So it says that it stops frizz, it lightly conditions. I think it is the full size. It's $28 retail. It combats frizz with the styling cream that smooths, conditions, and blocks humidity without weighing hair down. Well, those are some bold claims, aren't they? For me, like when the humidity, it's not super humid here today, but I live in Indiana, the Midwest. It can get very humid throughout the summer. So this could be something that actually would be very beneficial for me, because obviously you don't want your hair to frizz out, but you also don't want it to be so weighed down that it looks greasy because you have so much product in it to fight the humidity. So this could be the answer to my prayers. Ooh, sweet. Okay, so this woman is a doctor, but she works for Living Proof, so she's gonna be a little biased. But she was just saying that in regards to this specific product, it's actually really good for wavy and curly hair. Now I'm really excited to give this a try. I'm using right now the Olaplex number 6, like styling cream kind of stuff that's supposed to like help bond the ends of your hair together. I used it today and I'm really enjoying it. I recently got a haircut. I get my hair cut every, I think 8 to 12 weeks. I kind of switch it up. Obviously my hair is long and I still need to upkeep it to keep it, you know, healthy there at the bottom, but I do feel like that stuff is really helping. So once I'm done with that, this will probably be next on my list. Okay, so there's some jewelry in here. The brand is Jennifer's Zeuner. Okay, it's gold, which I love, and it's kind of dainty, which I also love, but it's got 2 little stars on either end when it's hanging on your neck. I love that. I actually have a similar necklace, and you guys asked where I got it, and I don't remember. I think it was like a gift that came with some PR, and so it wasn't something I purchased on my own, so I just don't know where it was from, but I love it. It's got a larger star and a smaller star, and it's gold, but I love that this is even daintier than that. So it's called the Star Double Necklace. It retails, geez, for $50. I would not pay $50. My problem is I break jewelry way too easily, or I lose it like when I travel, so I just can't buy expensive jewelry. I just can't do it. It says there are 1,000,001 ways to style a dainty, timeless necklace like this one. I agree. So that is really, really cute. I was hoping to see them having like styled this with something in here, but I didn't find anything. But that's like totally right up my alley. And I do have a few necklaces that are dainty and gold that are kind of getting worse for wear. So it's probably time to let those go, and then this can kind of take its place. So that's a good feeling. Next up is this Generation Clay Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Is it for your face or your hair? Okay, face. Apply an even layer to clean, dry skin. Wait approximately 10 minutes or until it starts to tighten. Use water to gently rinse it off. Okay. So it's supposed to refine, brighten, illuminate, and nurture. Whoa. I don't love masks that like dry down and make your skin feel taut. But I know a lot of people do, and I'm certainly willing to try this, and I don't think I've ever tried a purple mask. Not that the color really matters, but it is kind of intriguing, you know? So it retails for $39. This is 3.97 ounces, so basically 4 ounces. Why is it just under? Couldn't they make it 4 ounces? But it has Davidson Plum. I'm assuming that's what gives it its purple color. It rejuvenates dull skin and boosts hydration. So it says when to use 2 to 3 times per week, morning or night, and again, leave it on for 10 minutes and make sure you follow it up with a moisturizer. And it does say, due to its lightening properties, you can also use the mask as a spot treatment or to lighten dark spots. That's an interesting thought. You know, I'm kind of dipping my toe into like, not specialty masking, there's a name for it, but kind of like zonal masking, where you're putting certain kinds of masks on certain parts of your face that you feel need it. So like if I want hydration here, but I need something clarifying here, and you know what I mean? And I need like spot treatment here, it'd be cool to be able to put this in different areas of the face. And I also wonder how this would work for like, if you have kind of rosacea prone skin, or like just redness. Like I've just got redness on my cheeks and it's kind of splotchy, so I'm wondering, you know, if this does lighten, would that kind of lighten those spots? So interesting. Next up is another setting spray. Interesting that I got 2 of them, but this one's a little bit different. It's from COOLA, which I like their SPF products. That's their whole game, like sun care. But it's an SPF of 30 makeup setting spray. It contains 70% organic ingredients. It says a simple spritz of our weightless matte finish mist. That's huge. We're gonna try this right now. Protects your face from damaging UVA and UVB rays while helping to keep your makeup looking fresh all day. Vegan, water and sweat resistant, cruelty free. Wow. So it's $36, which isn't crazy for a higher end brand setting spray. Similarly priced to the mask, but I feel like the mask I would go through decently quickly. Whereas with this, the setting spray takes a while to go through. You know, you're using a couple spritz, it's barely going down throughout the weeks. It says it's a matte finish formula, it keeps makeup looking flawless. There's a quick hit of hydration and sun protection. I like the idea of that because if you're not gonna be out for, you know, if I'm at the beach, I'm slathering on sunscreen. But if I'm just kind of going about my day running errands, I still wear sunscreen, but I'm not necessarily reapplying it maybe the way that I should. So this is kind of a nice thing to have that you can just kind of spritz it on and at least get a little more protection. I wouldn't trust this to be your only protection, obviously, and I don't think it claims to do that. So the packaging is gorgeous. It's a like frosted glass bottle. Let's see how the mister is. Not bad. Let's just try it. If it's supposed to be matte, we're gonna see. Oh, don't let it get too much in your eyes. It definitely has a very sunscreeny smell, which is probably not the worst thing because then you know it's doing something. Looking at myself in my phone, I don't feel like it added like a huge amount of like glow or anything. You can definitely see that it's maybe there. That's pretty cool. This is one of those things that like, I don't know. I feel like I would have overlooked this in the store because I'd be like, what am I gonna use that? But now that I have it, I'm like, actually that'd be the quickest thing to just throw in your beach bag. We're going to kind of on a miniature lake vacation pretty soon, and this is totally going with me in my beach bag because you can just, and it kind of feels refreshing. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm speaking of that like lake vacation we're going on soon. I just bought a beach bag on Amazon. It's really cute. I'll put a picture on the screen and I can link it. It's super cute and the reviews are really good, so I think I'm still gonna keep it. But of course, this is coming with a really cute, basically beach bag as well. It's from the brand Summer and Rose, which they work with Summer and Rose a lot with FabFitFun, but everything I've ever gotten from Summer and Rose is really cute, so I'm not complaining. I would say this is a good beach bag for 1 or 2 people, but if you've got a family or a baby, you're probably not gonna be able to fit like all of your beach towels and water and sunscreen. But for 1 or 2 towels and like a few other things, this would totally work, and it's so cute. The handles feel really, really comfortable. It looks really well made. It doesn't zip up, but it does kind of plop into place. And it's just a really pretty canvas. I like the pattern. And beach bags or bags like this, you could totally use, it doesn't have to be for the beach. You could use it for like a carry-on on a plane. You know what I mean? You can fit a decent amount, but it's still small enough to be a carry-on and fit under the seat in front of you, you know? So the retail price for this, it's the Summer and Rose Navy Diamond Tote, is $50. I mean, that's... I think that's a ridiculous price for this, considering I know I could get something similar on Amazon for like 20 or 25. But regardless, it's really cute. And again, if you're paying $40 or $50 for this box, you're getting this and all this other stuff, I can forgive that. But buying this straight up for $50 is insane. But it says it's 100% cotton, it's got rope handles, a snap closure, and it's big enough to hold your towel, cover up, SPF, and then some. Yeah, that's about as much as I would say can fit. But it's really cute. So speaking of beaches, it also comes with this, I think it's a beach towel. It might be round though. Yeah, it's like a round beach towel. So it's the Vicks Paula Hermanny Lotus towel. Yeah, it looks like a lotus flower. Take it to the beach, lay out with it by the pool, whatever you do. This blue lotus towel is perfect for your summer adventures. $50. Again, not worth 50, but it is really nice and totally useful. And I like that it gets really big, but you can fold it up decently small. I mean, that's not bad considering like pretty much every other beach towel we own is not as big as this, and it's way bulkier once you fold it back up. So that is nice. This might be perfect to bring with us as well, because like Gigi can sit on it and we can sit on it in our little like under our umbrella thing we have. And again, I like the kind of chill colors. It's not super bright, but just kind of relaxing. So I didn't even see, there's one more thing in here, this Whish exfoliating foot mask. It smooths and softens, intense hydration, paraben-free, sulfate-free, cruelty-free. It's like a million different things free. So it retails for $32. It says, get your feet sandal ready. Natural ingredients like willow bark extract and pumpkin seed. Exfoliate and polish for your softest feet ever. Ooh, girl, I need this. I feel like there's another product I have for feet that has willow bark extract. And I think it really is supposed to be good for that. It's got coconut milk and verbena. Oh, I can already smell it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It smells like old tanning oils from like the 90s. I can't explain it. Do you guys know what I mean? Like the stuff you shouldn't be using, but you like my older sister would be like slathering it all over, and I'm like, I want to be tan too. Oh, the 90s. It smells like that though. It smells amazing, like coconuts and like going to the beach. Oh my gosh. I wish you guys could smell this. This is like one of the best smells I've ever smelled in my life. So it's talking about ingredients on their like little beauty glossary page, and it's specifically calling out willow bark extract. It says it's anti-inflammatory, it sheds dead skin, and it softens. Well, no wonder it's good for feet then. It also has orange fruit extract, lemon fruit extract, and again, it exfoliates the skin. So I am really pumped to use this. This was something that when I first saw it, I was like, eh. But now, like kind of reading more into it, I'm like, actually, that sounds really, really, really nice. So that was everything in the box. I hope that this was enjoyable to see. I hope the change of scenery was a welcome change. It was for me. And we live like kind of on like a pond. It's so pretty to look out, and I tried to do the camera that way, and it looks a little, it's just not quite right. Maybe next time, if the sun's in exactly the right spot, we could try it that way, because it's really pretty to look at too. But I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. If you are interested in more of my FabFitFun unboxings, give this video a thumbs up so I know you'd like me to do it again. I'm still gonna get it next time, but I like sharing it with you guys if you guys like seeing it. But I love that this was such a mix. I got some hair products, I got some sun care, some foot care, a mask, some hair care, a necklace, I got a beach bag, a beach towel. Like, it's such a good curated mix, and I think that's part of why I like it. It's curated. Because this is sent to me, I don't really have a say in what I get. But if you're actually a member joining, I know that there are different levels, and for certain levels you can pick out certain items. So there is a level of customization. That's a much easier, shorter word to use. There is a level of customization you can make on this, so I do like that. That didn't used to be that way, but that was a really good change that they made. So that way you have a little control. Like if you're like, I don't need another mask, you have some control over what you're getting. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed. The next one will be the fall one, which, the fall box is, I always say that's my favorite. It's hard to pick, but the fall box, they usually have like a cute scarf and like all these like cozy items, like, ooh, a candle, and I love it. So I cannot wait for that one as well, but slow down because I'm enjoying the summer too. Anyway, this turned out to be like the longest FabFitFun unboxing I've ever filmed. I'm just enjoying filming today. I hope you guys enjoyed as well. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.